Hello guys at home, back here again. As usual, Theodore the Great Makebula, Dubulas Dubulas, Kebula Makebula. New York, here I come once again. From Block 5, Gaborone West, Block 5, New York. Can you stand it? I'm back. Action. Brother, is this a really New York? All the lights, these lights. What are you going to do to them? Huh? I wonder why. Why did you bring me? Okay, I know, at the most, I know that everybody is onto position, but with this lights in fact, this is Hollywood. From Kasi, Botswana. And we are here. I don't know what to say, in fact, wait. You know what? Since I've been into this game before, I'll get to deal with them. I told you we will go for them the next day. With this gemstone, nobody can beat me. You know, they still owe us something. Something that I will never forget. From here, Hollywood boys, I bet you are onto this. I bet this is not the first time. And you are up for more. Because for more, we are all with all. Cut. Yeah, Hollywood boys. So, this is all you've been into. Yeah, man. Tell them. Oh, I do it. They've been after it. This is New York. Now I'm taking it to Botswana. There's no more Denzel Washington, no more Al Pacino. We're taking them. This is Botswana's Theodore. Schofield did it, but not better like me, you know it. Even if I didn't make it to all, it did not matter. You know that I am here for my young brother's sister. She is also my sister. Do or die. Vote for me. Otherwise, the bomb goes off.